Hello, my name is Jimmy and today you join me with the 2021 Mazda 3 Sedan. I already have the Mazda 3 Sport, which is the hatchback, up there, and you can watch that there. But today I'm going to see exactly how a Clek Liing as well as a Clek Foonf fits into this sedan. Is it better than the hatchback? Well, let's take a look. All right, the back seat of the Mazda 3 Sedan. As you can see, I already have the Liing base on the driver's side and the Foonf on the passenger side. So yeah, they definitely do fit. But there is a small compromise. Both the driver as well as the passenger seat on the front has been moved forward to accommodate the seats themselves. So if you're a little bit taller, you may not be all that comfortable up there. As for the rear seats here, there are two sets of lower anchors. One set on the driver's side, one set on the passenger side here. They're actually very easy to get to with these little plastic caps. There are three upper anchors behind the headrests. So when time's right, you're able to flip the Foonf and attach the upper anchor to make sure the child seat is nice and secure. Let's see exactly how well the Liing fits. Because the sedan's roofline is actually a little bit higher and there isn't a big of an arch on the roofline here, it's actually a little bit easier to squeeze the seat in comparing to the hatchback. As you can see, that fits very nicely inside. It's not difficult to get that in. And that's exactly how the Liing as well as the Foonf fits inside this, the Mazda 3 Sedan. Can a family? Well, absolutely you can. There's plenty of room, but there are some compromises to the front seats as, well, if you're a little bit taller, it's not gonna be that comfortable. But in any case, thank you so much for watching this video. Like the video if you do. Subscribe if you want to see more. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to reply. Thanks. Have a great day.